In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Chicago-style footnotes in Google Docs. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Docs. Let's open a document from here. This is the document that I've taken as an example. The first thing you need for a Chicago-style document is the page numbers. Double-click on the upper empty part of the page. This will open the header menu. In the bottom right corner of the header section, click on Options. In the drop-down menu, click on Page Numbers. In the pop-up, you can format your page number. If you don't want your page numbers to show on the first page, turn off the Show on First Page option. You can also edit the starting number of the page numbers. After you are done, click on Apply. Now, if I go to the second page, you can see that our page number has been added. But we need to align it to the right. Double-click on the page number to select it. In the menu, click on the Alignment option and change the alignment to right. Now go to your citation in the document. Here you can see that we have an MLA-style citation. This 105 means the page number of the reference book. Suppose you need to add a Chicago-style citation here. At the end of the document, I have the complete reference for all the needed citations as a bibliography, so I add a smaller version as a footnote. Bring your cursor to the end of the citation line. Now, go to Insert, then Page Elements.
In the pop-up, click on Footnote.
Here you can see that a footnote has been created. Now, go to the bibliography file. Copy the author's name from here and paste it in the footnote. Add a comma and a quotation mark. Now, copy the book or article name and paste it into the footnote, then close the quotations. Add another comma, then add the page number for the reference line. Now, select the whole footnote and go to the Font option. Change the font to Times New Roman. Now change the font size to 11. Remove the MLA citation. In Chicago style, you need to add the full stop inside the quotations. Here you can see that our Chicago-style footnote citation has been completed. Following these steps, you can create Chicago-style footnotes easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.